Hey everybody, it's Vacationeers Tom here with John Self, and we are here at EPCOT on May 19th because it's AP Passholder previews for the new Soarin Across America, and we're gonna go. Are you excited, John?
Yeah.
We're gonna soar across America, so join us on this very
we're gonna
airy
soar across parts of America.
Adventure. It's gonna be glorious. Join us as we stay on Earth. All right, we are on our way. They're jamming over here, having a good time as always.
Talking about Bruno.
They never talk about Bruno. So Soarin Across America does officially open May 26th. Obviously, it will most likely soft open before then. John, are you hinting at maybe Memorial Day?
In our non-recorded portion, it seems odd to celebrate America's 250. Have a preview, have it for cast members, then for other people, and then for past members, and then shut it down over the Memorial Day holiday.
Yeah.
A holiday that goes back to, if I don't recall, the Civil War times.
Yeah.
Celebrating people who have died.
Now there you go.
I'm just saying.
It's a lot of logic built into that response. So I think he's saying maybe for Memorial Day. I know I'll be probably blocked out. I'm sure Memorial Day is probably a blockout day for me, so I won't be attending. However, if you're coming to the parks,
You need me to come visit for you?
oof, please, I would love it. Listen to you complain about how busy it is. What are all these people doing in this park? So yeah, the past member previews for, well, past members are the 19th and 20th. It's 2 days. Today's the first day. We anticipate it to be busy. More busy than the last day of the previous version.
Busy this morning.
It's going to be lovely. Now, I will say it is 11 a.m. so we did not rope drop, but that's okay. I love standing in line, so big fan. Hello.
Are there any headboards in here? I'm pretty sure Soarin might have one. If not, the seats.
Oof, I was scared there for a second because that sign said that Soarin's unavailable today. I'm like, oh no, it's down. But yeah, it's for past members. So you can see, hopefully the wait isn't too long. But yeah, officially Soarin is closed today and tomorrow to regular day guests. But here it is, Soarin Across America. Oh, see me? All right, here we go. Looks like they have it organized pretty well. Hello. 2? Thank you so much. Hello, how are you? There we go. Thank you. All right, let's do this. Of course they, hello, thank you. Oh, looky. Soarin Across America. Oh, thank God they still got the Soarin Challenge going on. Oy vey. Now, I will say, the Soarin music is copyright, so I will show the on-ride visuals, but I will not be able to show, or I will not be able to have the audio going because I will get strucken down. And we don't want that, do we? I gotta tell you, John, this is a much lesser line than when I came for the last day.
I'm a little surprised myself. But it was walk-ons for me.
Wow, really? Hello!
Hi, welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
The factor that we're forgetting is no lightning lane.
Yes, no lightning lane.
No lightning lane.
It's huge.
That throws it off.
Okay, we're in row 2. We're here. Concourse A.
Last year we didn't get the cup. They have it this year, I think. Same one.
Hello, and welcome to Soarin Across America. My name is Patrick, Captain Patrick. I'd like to welcome you to this special semi-quincentennial flight. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes. First, there's a handsome young devil who'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cell phones, bottles, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts and certain them into the buckle on your right. The smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat. Just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. That's where it fell. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice one.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff. Thanks for soaring with us.
All right, that was Soarin' Across America. What do you think, John? I loved it.
Oh, so I'm supposed to not love this. That's how this works.
I thought it was awesome.
In fairness, I thought it was good. It was a wonderful addition. It's great for the America 250.
Yeah.
Then there's the gigantic butt, because I like big butts. Here it goes. We were seated far on the left side.
Yeah.
And every single scene, there was a lot of squinching and a lot of distortion. It wasn't like we used to have it with just a few things. It was with every single scene. Just something to bear in mind.
I feel like Around the World had more, because it had more pointy objects, I feel.
Yeah, oh no. But it wasn't as
It was still
obvious the
present
whole
here.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was every scene.
I loved it. And let me tell you something. Elena will love this version because she's been to half of those places. And, well, she loves Jimmy Fallon because we go to New York and she loves New York. So, yeah, she will absolutely eat this up. So, yeah, I think it's a great addition. Probably my favorite. I'm trying to remember what the first one was. It was over California. Yeah, I'd say it's my favorite of all 3 editions. Now, I've only read it one time. And this is my initial thought of it, but I thought it was great. Even at the end, they did all the US stuff, but then they did fireworks for the eagle and for the flag. Superb. Absolutely superb. Great addition. I will ride this a lot. I love it. So good. All right. Anything else about it? The smells were there. They're obviously different.
Yeah, they're different. There's fewer smells, but they work fine.
Yes, yeah. I'm trying to think out. Yeah, I mean, you saw it, so you probably had some audio cut in and out as I had edited it, but yeah, I thought it was great. I love it. So I think we might come back tomorrow and I'll have Elena come and we'll ride it because it's so good. Well, that was a wonderful Soarin' experience, but we are now leaving the land, sadly, and that will bring this short little vlog to a close. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making memories, and of course,
if you're with us off camera, eat like you mean it.
Indeed. Thanks for watching the Vacationeers Podcast YouTube channel. If you enjoy this content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when new content drops. Also, swing by vacationerspodcast.com for vlogs, videos, and much more, including links to listen to our podcast, Vacationers, theme parks, and more. Or you can find it on your favorite podcast streamer. Would you like to know what I'm up to? Well, follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, where I post anytime I am out and about. Well, that's probably enough plugging for now. So until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making memories.